All right, it's your boy Troy Ellis here at TE Pro, Troy Ellis Productions. We talk about a uh, a live uh, drum kit that I use by a company um, that designed these drums called Ocean Way Drums. I have the Gold Edition. Man, amazing drums. Just about the best sound you're gonna get. Closest thing you can get to a live drummer. The key mapping is different from any other drum map that you've ever seen or experienced. Most of the drum or the key mapping is designed with a kick, snare. For keyboard players, you'll find the toms and all together. It's a little bit different. It's arranged with all the hi-hats on top level with 4 or 5, somewhat similar to the Korg layout, somewhat, but amazing drums. Honestly, I don't think you'll find anyone better. Now, you have to kind of get used to the key mapping. Once you get used to the key mapping, hey. But I've spent a lot of time myself using the standard key map for drum programs. So the good thing about this is you can take and rearrange the key mapping, and that's what I did. But if you get used to the other one, you'll find that it's amazing. Just the flexibility to being able to get close to a real drummer as possible is beyond beyond me. I want to show you what it looks like. So this is what the Ocean Way drums looks like. It's a program that's within Kontakt 5. Like I said, it's amazing. You won't find anything better. So let's get started so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. like I said, Ocean Way drums. Nothing better, I'm telling you. This is your boy from TE Pro, your boy Troy, signing out.